Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back today and I have a, actually it's two orders from scrapbook.com. The first order I placed was for the magic mat. Let's see if I can open this. So I thought that I would try out these magic mats and see what all the hype is about, see how well they work, and yeah, so I'll have to report back to you and let you know how these work. Everything that I have purchased is from scrapbook.com. So these are the magic mats. You can go on scrapbook.com and kind of, or just Google what the magic mat is. And then they were giving away this for free. It's a Gemini by Crafter's Companion embossing folder. And since I placed two orders, I actually got two of them. So I think I'm going to save one of them for a giveaway, because I don't need two. But it's like a birthday, and then you can put your birthday sentiment in the middle. It's a nice little embossing folder. And then there are two collections that I have been trying to get my hands on. And one of them is the Cute and Crafty collection by Doodlebug Designs. So I ordered a couple of pieces of that. I ordered the cards and envelopes. And here are the cards and the envelopes that you get in each package. Let's open them and see. You get, each pack contains 6 cards and 6 coordinating envelopes. So you get this fun, cute, scalloped, and then just a plain blue. I hope the envelope to that one is in here. You get a plain green one, kind of a lime green, and then you get a plain yellow one. You get this slimline card, super cute, with an envelope, and then you get an orange slimline as well. So those are the cards and envelopes that I got. I am more than anything, I make cards. So you have your blue. This must be for the pink. And then I ordered the value bundle, an $87 value, but you get several pieces to the collection in here. And I actually have more of this collection coming from Amazon, because I had a gift card, so I ordered part of it from Amazon. But let's see what all we get with this one. You get some boutique brads in this lime green, 18 pieces. You get some square sequins in the bright colors. Then you get some stitched grosgrain in the color bubblegum. You get some bumblebee blossoms. You get some paper doilies in that cute bubblegum pink. You get some star-shaped buttons called Nighttime Stars. You get some Bumblebee assortment of 1, 2, 3s. And then you also get some Oh My Words laugh assortment. It says laugh, live, love, and share. You get some of the pink heart tokens. You get 4 of those. You get some 9 reversible kites, 10 reversible clouds, and the twine is included. So you get little punch outs of all the kites and clouds. You get some cardstock stickers, super cute. You get some really cute, these are tangerine rub-ons in the party mix. And then I really like these bubblegum large rub-ons, but I really like the font on these. Then you get some paper frills, super cute, in the tangerine color. I don't know how many you get. 4 of each shown, 4 of each of these. And then you get some more alphas in this glittery blue color. Then you get some of the borders, cardstock stickers. Here is another sheet of cardstock stickers. You get all of the months, days of the week, numbers. And then you get several sheets of paper. You get this pretty bubblegum pink with the little glitter. Here is a pink and iridescent polka dot. They call it candy dots. This one is like a felt, super pretty red felt. And then you get a orange, tangerine, and yellow felt sheet. You get this pretty chevron yellow glittery sheet. A sheet of the green felt dots. And then a sheet of the chevron in the blue glitter. And then you also get this and that cardstock stickers. So super fun to go with this collection. And then I have one more collection that I've been kind of trying to get my hands on. And I found a lot of it on here. Let's see if I can get these moved out of the way so I can show you this other collection. This is the Let's Get Crafty collection by Simple Stories, and I ordered several pieces of it. So the first thing is this Bits and Pieces. You get 54 pieces, and here's all of the little pieces that you get. You get the cart. Super fun. There's the little bag. That's the tote bag. I got the die for that. So 54 pieces in there. I got the enamel dots. 60 enamel dots. I got the Let's Get Crafty. You get 27 self-adhesive brads and 7 chipboard pieces. Oh, there's that little crafty tote. And then I got the page pieces, which are, they show them back here. But I thought I might make some just like decor for my crafty space. This is what scrapbook.com was giving away free at the time, this embossing folder. So I already have one of these. I'm gonna save this one to give away. And then I ordered some of the sheets of paper. So I got the puffy stickers. You get 50 stickers. I got the Let's Get Crafty foam stickers. And then I got the sticker book by in the Let's Get Crafty collection. Let's see if I can flip through this. Oh, the little ink pads are cute. And then I got the 6x8 paper pad. There's a lot of cut aparts. I like that right there. But I may, since the colors are so similar, I could kind of mix and match with the, like I want to frame some of these crafty and happy. But I can mix and match this with the Cute and Crafty kit from Doodlebug Design. Dream, Live, Create. I love that these are double-sided. And then it repeats. And then I got some of the cut-aparts. Oh, I want to craft with somebody. I want to make cute things with somebody. I'm just here for the snacks and crafts. So those are those sheets. And then I picked up the Collector's Essential Kit. And you get the journal bits, Let's Get Crafty, which is 41 pieces. And you get the page pieces. You get 19 of those. You get a 12 by 12 sticker sheet. Oh, there's the little desk. Then some more of the cut aparts. And then I got the chipboard stickers. You get 30 stickers. More cut aparts. Got the tags. like that one. So super fun. And then I got the 12 by 12 collection kit. I think I got most of the pieces to this collection. And I have duplicates of some of the journal cards. So those are the two collections I'm collecting right now, just to make some new fun things and maybe do a swap with someone. But when my other things come in from Amazon, I'll be sure and show them to you. I think they're all with the Cute and Crafty Doodlebug Design collection. So yeah. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.